Hey, hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Anas and today I'm going to show you how you can create your first resume without any cost, as my friend asked to me this question. So I found this website Teal, which looking nice to me. The design is super simple and the template also super basic and required as for ATL score. Okay, so there are some questions. You can click what you want. Okay, okay, as like I'm finding job developer. You, I designer, that's not me. Remote on site. You can say Hyderabad is finding jobs to me, but we will create the resume as well. So it is asking like you want to give the resume. If you have already, yeah, you want to make the fresh one. So I will make the fresh one with my LinkedIn URL. So click next, and the resume is ready. Super fast, right? Skip the tour, and you can see the resume is ready entirely. And it is taking information from my LinkedIn profile, my name, okay, education, certificate, projects looking so long. You can get a smaller, yeah, okay, you can edit this one. So I will just oh yeah, this thing is right. Okay, this is nice. Like I'm adding my session, so it's showing some suggestions in right. That's super good. Okay, I'm just making this. Oh, yeah, also about that is not good. Yes. Okay, just to give a small brief information about your projects and try to give in bullet list here. Okay, this looking more nice and smaller, and you can add more things like I want to add skills, like yeah, this is showing already, and okay, save. This looking nice to me now. I will you can add more things as well here. You can see some templates. I'm happy with this template, seriously. Analyze here. Okay, it is for giving us overall score based on the content you have used, and click on job matcher. If you're finding like a web developer, right, you can see a match job, like how much good your resume is for this job. It will check and tell you the score, and will tell you like how you can improve your resume, what skills you must be learned. Yeah, okay, 3% match score, hard skill, JavaScript implementing. Okay, we haven't completed the resume yet, but it is showing a good thing. Yeah, it is a good feature, by the way. You can improve your resume as well based on the score. Like, hey, I didn't have this skills, I should learn this. So like this, you can create the cover letter as well if you got something. Yeah, this is looking best to me, right? And you can download this freely. There's no fees. Okay, you can see this one. This looking without any copyright here. So there are so many websites which provide you free things. Yeah.